Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's a fire truck and the ambulance.